Ever found yourself juggling different blockchains, wishing there was a way to seamlessly move your assets and participate in various decentralized applications without the usual hassle? What if there was a bridge, a literal Bifrost, connecting these disparate worlds of crypto? That's essentially what Bifrost Crypto aims to be. Inspired by the mythical rainbow bridge in Norse mythology that connects Midgard, Earth, and Asgard, the realm of the gods, Bifrost is a multi-chain middleware platform designed to connect different blockchains. It strives to create a unified ecosystem where users can experience the best of what each network has to offer without being confined to a single chain. Think of the current blockchain landscape as a collection of isolated islands. Each island has its own unique culture, resources, and ways of doing things. To travel between these islands, you often need to use specific boats or planes, each with its own set of rules and limitations. Bifrost envisions building bridges between these islands, allowing for effortless travel and trade. So, how does Bifrost achieve this? At its core lies the concept of the multi-chain token, BFC. This isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the utility and governance token that powers the entire Bifrost ecosystem. BFC acts as the fuel for transactions, incentivizes network participants, and grants holders the power to vote on key decisions shaping the platform's future. But the magic truly happens with Bifrost's ability to create V-tokens. Imagine you have staked Ether on the Ethereum network. Traditionally, your staked ETH would be locked up, unable to be used elsewhere. Bifrost allows you to mint a V-token representing your staked ETH, like VETH. This VETH can then be used across other connected blockchains. You could lend it on a Polkadot-based DeFi platform, use it as collateral on a Binance Smart Chain application, or even trade it on a Solana decentralized exchange. This unlocks the liquidity of staked assets and significantly enhances capital efficiency. Furthermore, Bifrost facilitates cross-chain communication and data transfer. This means that decentralized applications, dApps, built on Bifrost can interact with smart contracts and access data on different blockchains seamlessly. Imagine a lending protocol on Bifrost that can access the user's credit history on one chain and their collateral on another, offering more personalized and efficient services. The potential implications of this are vast. For users, it means a more fluid and user-friendly experience in the decentralized world. No more complex bridging procedures or the need to hold multiple native tokens. For developers, it opens up new possibilities for building innovative multi-chain applications that can leverage the strengths of various blockchain technologies. Of course, the journey of building such a complex and interconnected ecosystem is not without its challenges. Ensuring the security and interoperability of multiple blockchains is a significant undertaking. Bifrost is actively working on robust security measures and constantly expanding its network of connected chains, including major players like Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, and others. The team behind Bifrost is continuously developing new features and integrations, aiming to make multi-chain functionality the new standard in the crypto space. They envision a future where users can effortlessly navigate the decentralized web, accessing the best opportunities regardless of the underlying blockchain. So, is Bifrost the key to unlocking a truly interconnected and user-friendly multi-chain future? It certainly presents a compelling vision and is actively building the infrastructure to make it a reality. As the blockchain landscape continues to evolve and new innovative chains emerge, the need for seamless interoperability will only grow stronger. Bifrost is positioning itself to be a crucial piece of that puzzle, bridging the gaps and fostering a more unified and accessible decentralized ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.